What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Dead Inside by XXXTentacion. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it uses 3 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord you need to know is F major 7. It's going to be 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 0. Thumb on the low E on the 1st fret. Ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. Pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the D string, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, index finger on the 1st fret of the B string, and your high E string is open. Then you're going to go G major, which is 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3, ring finger 3rd fret low E, your middle finger's on the 2nd fret of the A string, and your pinky finger's on the high E on the 3rd fret. And your final chord is an A minor 7, and technically you're adding, it's an A minor 7 with your pinky on the 3rd fret of the high E, so it's middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, index finger on the 1st fret of the B string, and your pinky finger on the high E on the 3rd fret. Now there's not really a specific strumming pattern for the song. You kind of got to play around with it and just hear where the chords are changing, and then as you play with it, you know, you'll be able to tell exactly where they're changing. But I mean, I can give you something to go off of. I've been doing down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, and then starting all over. Like I said, that's not gonna fit exactly for the entire song. You gotta just listen to it and kind of play along with it. Then if you're singing it by yourself, you can match up the words to the chords however you want, but that's probably the best starting strumming pattern to go off of. So again, down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down. Have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm going to pick 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now, all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm going to live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Billy Schultz Music. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.